Imagine waking up each morning feeling energized, mentally sharp, and physically alive even into your 90s. That is exactly what happened to Shirley, who just turned 90 years old and says she feels like she is 30 again. Her secret? It all starts with breakfast. Yes, breakfast. Every single morning, Shirley eats a specific combination of foods that she believes helps repair her stem cells and lengthen her telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of your DNA that play a critical role in aging. If that sounds like health wisdom you need in your life, then you are in the right place. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with others who care about living longer and stronger. Because today, we are diving into the remarkable world of telomeres, stem cell renewal, and the surprising power of your morning routine, all grounded in the inspiring insights of one woman's longevity journey and the science-backed guidance of Dr. William Li. Let us start with Shirley's story. At 90, she walks with ease, her memory is sharp, her joints are fluid, and she smiles like someone who just got back from a spa retreat. People often stop her and ask what she is doing differently. Is it good genes? A miracle supplement? Nope. She credits her transformation to a daily breakfast ritual that includes certain powerful foods, many of which are probably in your kitchen right now. According to Shirley, everything changed when she learned how her food choices could protect and even restore her telomeres and support the function of her body's own stem cells. She said it felt like she turned back time without doing anything extreme. Just breakfast. And as it turns out, science backs her up. Dr. William Li, an internationally renowned physician, researcher, and author of Eat to Beat Disease, has spent decades studying how foods impact our body's natural defense systems, including stem cell renewal and telomere integrity. His research shines a light on the real power of food, not just for preventing disease, but for promoting cellular regeneration and longevity. Through his work, he shows how everyday foods can send healing signals to our body, activating processes that keep us younger longer. According to Dr. Li, what you eat really can influence your biological age, not just the number on your birth certificate. So, how does this all connect to telomeres and stem cells? Let us break it down in the simplest way. Telomeres are like the little plastic tips at the end of shoelaces. They protect your DNA from fraying. Each time your cells divide, your telomeres get a little shorter. Over time, short telomeres can lead to aging, inflammation, and even disease. But here's the exciting part. You can slow this process down, and in some cases, even reverse it by feeding your body the right ingredients. Stem cells, on the other hand, are like your body's internal repair team. They help regenerate tissues, organs, and systems. But as we age, our stem cells can become less active. The good news? Certain nutrients can reawaken these cells and put them back to work. This is where Shirley's breakfast comes in. When Shirley discovered the connection between food, stem cells, and telomere length, she completely revamped her morning meal. She focused on whole, nutrient-dense ingredients known to support these anti-aging processes. She said the first week she made the switch, she noticed more energy. By the end of the first month, she was sleeping better and waking up excited for the day. That was 5 years ago, and she has not looked back. So what exactly is Shirley eating? Here is what her breakfast looks like. A rich bowl of steel-cut oats, topped with blueberries, blackberries, and a spoonful of ground flax seeds. She adds in walnuts, slices of kiwi, and a sprinkle of cacao nibs for good measure. Then she mixes in a dollop of unsweetened yogurt or kefir, depending on her mood. On the side, she enjoys a cup of green tea with a splash of fresh lemon juice, and often pairs it with a small boiled egg or two. Every bite is intentional. Every ingredient has a purpose. And it is not just delicious, it is therapeutic. Each of those foods is backed by science. Let's talk about blueberries. Packed with antioxidants, they help reduce oxidative stress and protect telomeres from shortening. Blackberries offer similar benefits, along with supporting healthy blood flow to keep those stem cells well nourished. Flax seeds are rich in lignans and omega-3s, which play a critical role in reducing inflammation, one of the main drivers of cellular aging. Walnuts are another omega-3 powerhouse and support brain function. Kiwi? That one is a superstar in its own right. Dr. Lee explains that kiwi has compounds that can actually stimulate DNA repair. Yes, you heard that right. DNA repair from something as simple as a kiwi. Cacao nibs bring a deep chocolatey crunch while delivering polyphenols that enhance blood vessel health, allowing nutrients and oxygen to nourish your stem cells. And when it comes to gut health, Shirley's use of kefir or yogurt is no accident. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for longevity, and fermented foods help keep your digestion strong, inflammation low, and nutrient absorption high. Green tea, meanwhile, is a classic longevity beverage. It is full of catechins, which support cardiovascular health and may protect telomeres from damage. The lemon not only brightens the flavor, but boosts vitamin C and supports liver detoxification. And those boiled eggs? They are an excellent source of choline and high-quality protein, which your body needs for cellular repair. Shirley says the ritual of making this breakfast every day helps her feel grounded. She chops her fruit with care, brews her tea slowly, and sits down with gratitude. And it is not just about the ingredients, it is the intention behind them. She believes that when you start your day feeding your cells, your whole body responds. Dr. Lee agrees, stating that food can be more than fuel, it can be a form of precision medicine. Not through extreme diets or trends, but through choosing the right foods with purpose and consistency. Let's take a moment here. Think about your current breakfast. Is it supporting your longevity? Is it sending healing signals to your body? If not, what small change can you make tomorrow morning? Could you add in some berries or switch from sugary cereal to steel-cut oats? These do not have to be massive overhauls. Start small. Build your breakfast like Shirley does. Layer in healing foods one step at a time. Your body will notice. Another thing Shirley emphasizes is simplicity. She is not counting calories or measuring everything out. She just picks real, colorful whole foods. She listens to her body. Some days she wants more protein, so she adds another egg. Other days, she leans into fiber and goes heavy on berries. The point is, it is flexible, joyful, and deeply nourishing. And as Dr. Lee often says, eating for your health should be delicious. It should be a celebration of what your body can do. You might be wondering how long it takes to feel a difference. Shirley says within a few days, her digestion improved. Within weeks, she felt more clarity and strength. But the real transformation was over time, seeing how her skin looked more vibrant, how her hair stopped thinning, how her joints felt younger. She moves with ease, laughs often, and says she feels more connected to her life now than she did in her 60s. That kind of vitality is not out of reach. It is just about making those daily deposits into your health bank account. Another thing worth noting is that this breakfast also supports emotional well-being. Several of the ingredients like walnuts, green tea, and flax seeds have mood-boosting properties. They support your brain, your gut, and your nervous system, which all work together to stabilize your mood and energy levels throughout the day. Shirley says her morning meal is like a reset button. No matter what happened yesterday, she starts her day with something that makes her feel good. That mindset shift alone is worth everything. So here is a question for you. What would it feel like to wake up excited about your breakfast? Not because it is trendy or clean or low in calories, but because it makes your cells sing. Imagine having the energy and mental sharpness to do what you love. Imagine being in your 70s, 80s, or 90s and feeling decades younger. That is the kind of life Shirley is living, and she wants you to know it is not about luck, it is about choices. Consistent, nourishing, joyful choices. Dr. Lee encourages everyone to think of their kitchen as their pharmacy. He says you do not need exotic supplements or expensive treatments to tap into your body's healing systems. Just real food, chosen with care. And that is exactly what Shirley is doing. Every bite she takes is an act of self-care, a vote for her future, a celebration of what her body can do. And the best part? You can start today. You do not need to wait for a diagnosis or a birthday milestone to begin supporting your telomeres and stem cells. You just need breakfast. Make it colorful, make it rich in fiber, polyphenols, healthy fats, and quality proteins. Make it a habit. And if you need inspiration, think of Shirley and her 90-year-old glow. We would love to hear from you. What do you usually eat in the morning? Have you tried any of these ingredients before? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. And if you found this story inspiring, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and pass it along to someone you care about. Help us grow this community of people who believe in the power of food, who believe that aging well is not just possible, it is delicious. You are not alone on this journey. We are walking it with you, one nourishing bite at a time. So here is to mornings that feel like magic, to breakfasts that fuel your brilliance, and to a long, vibrant life that begins one bowl at a time. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and join us in building a community centered on true health wisdom. Let's age backwards together.